lunch stop
Really nice.
before we
View as well.
have a wander around Falaise. So we parked at the bottom of the castle at Falaise. Castle's up there. Quite a big area to park in. Free for the day. And £5 overnight. But before we go and explore, we need to eat.
We're gonna have a little bit of lunch.
Because I'm starving.
Yeah, you're hungry. I'm hungry too.
Right, let's go and have a little wander around Falaise and see what this is all about.
There's a map. See if there's anything interesting on the map. So, don't know where we are. Huh?
We're there, aren't we?
Yeah. Or we'll just wander.
Yeah, we'll just wander. It's the best way. We'll park down there, look.
It's free to park, isn't it?
Yeah. Left.
I saw one of these before.
Alright, cool.
Normandy American Heroes.
See, again, American.
They must be tall.
I wonder if it's got Normandy British heroes on the other side. No.
They must be tour vehicles. I saw them earlier.
Yeah.
So here we are, in Falaise.
In Falaise.
Yeah.
Which way do you want to wander?
This way?
That way,
Straight
down?
through. Yeah.
We could absolutely turn this into a full history tour, couldn't we? About the D-Day landings and that.
It's funny because I said.
About Falaise.
Alright.
Objective Falaise. Yeah, we could come and turn this into a full history tour, but I'm just trying to give you just a snippet of the masses of history that's here. So you might be inspired to come yourself. What do you think about this being a...
No, I was saying on the way here, we were going to like the motorway bit, wasn't it? And you just kind of lose the history, and then you hit the little towns, and then you're back into the history again. Look at these.
So you said about this being a quaint little French town, didn't you?
Oh yeah, nice. I like these places, away from the big cities.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this coming up. This is him. William the Conqueror. Is that who it was?
Is that the statue?
Yep. There's the tank. Oh, look at that tank. It's a museum.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Hotel de Ville. Look at that church.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me.
So, Hotel de Ville. Yeah. Falaise's third town hall bears witness to the city's prosperity prior to the French Revolution.
See a bit more of the castle in the background there.
We'll go up there in a minute, eh?
Yeah.
Let's see. Look.
Awesome, that, isn't it? That is William the Conqueror, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's impressive, isn't it?
Really nice.
Just to think that people actually took shelter in here during bombing raids.
I know. Must have had a hole in the roof.
Okay, should we head outside?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. That's right out there.
Those were the bells.
It's 12:30, so I wonder if they ring every half hour.
Maybe. Let's head outside then and see what else we can find.
Yeah. What a lovely place.
Just reading some more information here, and the church, the Holy Trinity, was one of the few places left unscathed.
They were helped out by the Canadian forces.
Yeah.
Oh.
Some yummy cakes in there, like
Isn't there?
the meringues,
Wow.
apricots, slices, yummy. So it'd be rude not to have a beer, wouldn't it?
Well, that's nice. Lovely little square here. I think this is where they have the market, if I read that right.
Yeah.
So,
Anyway, cheers.
cheers.
That was a nice, relaxing half an hour.
Yeah.
A small beer. We're going to go and see if we can get into the castle now.
And the sun's come out and it's warm.
Yeah, it is nice actually.
Really nice.
These are the little places that we prefer, aren't they?
Yeah.
These little villages.
But there was a reason why you wanted to come here. What was the...
Yeah, it was to do with the Second World War, wasn't it? That's why I wanted to come here.
Wouldn't you say that the Germans were
The Falaise
surrounded?
Gap. Yeah.
Yeah. We've learnt so much from this trip.
There's probably still
So much.
There's so much more to learn. There's so much history.
Yeah.
So let's go and find the castle. crazy, isn't it? The generations of war. You've got a World War II tank here, and you've got William the Conqueror there. So that demonstrates how the Germans were encircled here in Falaise, in the Falaise Gap. So it's a list of all the civilians that died in Falaise.
You can see there's quite a few names the same, family members.
Yeah. Quite a few from the same families.
Yeah, some here, Deschamps.
Yeah, Deschamps. He's a footballer. Didier Deschamps.
Bernard, Bosson, Blanche. A lot of families.
Lots
Sad.
of families. Yeah.
Really sad.
So this is William the Conqueror's castle, and it was at its peak in the 12th century. And obviously we know that William the Conqueror became the King of England in 1066 after his victory at the Battle of Hastings. His reign marked the beginning of a venture which was to last 150 years.
Wow. Right, let's go up here.
Falaise, I tell you, there's a lot of history here at now, Falaise.
There is a lot,
A hell
yeah.
of a lot.
Uh-huh.
There's the moat, look.
See Tungle's down there.
Look at this place, man.
Look at this.
Which way are we going?
I don't know.
Don't know. Which way do you want to go?
We go up and then round.
We go up, walk round. So it's been restored, it said,
Yep.
to what it may have looked like
Okay.
in the 12th century.
That bit probably, yeah?
Yeah, probably.
Oh wow. Popping here.
We're not actually going to head into the castle today.
No.
Not right inside anyway. We're just going to have a wander round the lower parts. It's got a lot of connections with castles back in the UK, isn't it?
Yeah,
what was reading in there?
Castle.
Colchester Castle, Norwich Castle,
Hastings
Castle.
This is nice though that you can come in this part, isn't it?
Yeah, it's coming to the castle grounds.
Yeah.
So, let's go and see if we can spot Twingle over the wall. Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? It's an old mock-up of a catapult.
Hey!
Where is she?
There's Twingle!
Yeah, there's Twingle.
With a decal.
And check out the decal on the roof. Still there as well.
After all the rain we've had.
Yeah.
Looks pretty clean.
Looking cool. Nice and clean on the top, yeah.
Go there.
I think we need a selfie.
Hold on.
There's Twingle. Nestled in nicely in that car park down there, look. She's doing good. She's looking really good. Really good.
Wow, that sun is so hot. I need some sunshine.
always a door. It's a skinny door.
It is.
Couldn't come for here if he was a knight with a helmet on.
Well, Falaise, you've been fantastic. I've really enjoyed it here.
Enjoyed it?
Yeah. Really nice.
So whistle top or whistle stop tour of Falaise, isn't it? So much history. Next stop. Right, I don't know if I'm going to put the name of this place in the bottom of the video because probably kill it if we try and pronounce it. There's something
Le
like
Suis.
Le Suis.